it's Lesley Tao here and welcome to my YouTube. I wanted to show you what this garden annex of ours is all about and how much it's making. So this is actually a garden annex that we have in the garden of a house. So it's separated, so it's not detached in any way, and the house is running as an HMO, but it's quite spacious. The house is quite a big house. They've got a massive garden, and then they've got this garden annex. Now previously this garden annex was on long-term rental, and then when it came off we needed to make a bit more money on it. We turned it into a garden annex and we sectioned out a bit of the garden, so we had some fences put up for this unit. This unit makes us, so I just had a quick look at our platform that we use, which is Toki, that we house everything on. So for those that don't know, there are different, it's like a CRM, okay, different CRMs out there. Toki is one of them. You have other platforms such as Uplisting, you have Guesty, and this is really helpful when you have more than one or two properties, so when you've got a bit of a portfolio. So this particular property this month we're going to be making around $2,500, which is really good. Had a quick look at the average of our bookings as well. So we are on average generating around $2,000 a month for this garden annex for short-term rentals, and this is really good because it's a fraction of the price of one bed and even studios. This particular garden annex is actually not in the city centre of the city we're operating in, and previously we also had contractors in there who were in there for 8 months. This was all during COVID, by the way. They didn't pay as much. They paid around, I would say, about $1,800 a month, right? When you put that on the short-term market, you earn a bit more as well. And I think that garden annexes are coming a little bit of a favourite of mine, just because the sort of rent that we're paying is a bit lower. So for this particular one, we're paying about £800, which is just below $1,000 a month. Obviously, you've got your running costs and your bills associated with it, but it's quite a healthy and neat profit margin. Now, I also helped my cousin in London convert her sort of garden annex. So very similar setup. It's separated from the house. It's sort of got its own separate entranceway. Now she's also generating, I would say, just a bit over $2,000 a month at the moment on short-term rentals. But because it is London, she does put it back on long-term rental, and she makes more money out of the property during the summer months, which is sort of peak season. So just something for you to consider if you happen to have a garden annex lying around. You do want to try out maybe this strategy to get a bit more cash flow, especially because all the prices due to inflation at the moment is going up. People are looking for more higher cash flow strategies to bring more income into their household. So maybe something for you to try out. If you don't want, you know, the guests that stay for 1 or 2 nights, just increase your nightly stay to, I don't know, 5 nights minimum. Yeah, just bearing in mind that the highest I've seen is my friend in Dubai who set her property that she owns at 20 nights per minimum, and it's booking really well. So I think you can take a chance and see whether that works for you and your market. So hopefully you enjoy this video. I'm going to take a break from this car now because I've done a batch of about 4 videos, so I'm going to go on a loo break. But I will see you on my next video hopefully, and let me know if you want me to talk about anything else that you would find would help you in my experience in property, and especially running a property rental business and investment business, I guess. So all right, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye. So this is a video for 21A St Albans Road. This is the road, very empty. It's a residential road, and there's lots of off-street parking for free. This is number 21 here. You see there is a koala entry sign. So there's number 21. Go straight down here. So we're going towards the garden annex. Please don't ring the doorbell on the main door. Aha. There are signs, so we follow the sign. Here's the garden. So this is the annex here. So 21 garden annex. Get your keys from here, which you should have been sent a key code for. We go in. Ooh, there's some nice music. Welcome to 21A Garden Annex. So you've got an awesome kitchen. There's plenty of light in this garden annex. It's a 1-bedroom. This is you've got your sofa bed here, by the way. So this is a double sofa bed, so it can fit 2 people on, but let the team know if you want more linen and bedding. And here's the kitchen. You've got your sweeties, got our mascot here, and this is the kitchen area. So sorry, this pillow's hiding, but here actually is the boiler. So with the boiler, if you have any issues, give us a shout, or the instructions are quite clear there. Then we've also got the microwave here. I've got my coffee, and you've got all your utensils, etc. Things that you need for the kitchen all here. Let's have a look at the cupboard. You've got your pots, your pans, and your cutleries are there. Let's have a look, see what's in here. Oh, brilliant. You've got all your utensils. Let's see what else we've got. Your fridge is here, the bin is here. This is the microwave area. And you've got all your cups. Excellent. Here. Got your washing machine. You got your kettle, your toaster, your salt and pepper, some tea and coffee. And then you've got here we've got the coffee table with a welcome pack for you. You've got your telly here. The Wi-Fi box is actually here. So that is the annex. So we've had a tour of the living room for the annex. The second video is, there's the bedroom straight up here, but you've got your bathroom. So this is the bathroom here. You've got your shampoo set here, by the way. So we have, I don't know whether you can see, but because of the light, but we've got shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and a piece of soap. Nothing too special about the bathroom, but this is for the ladies. Some secret stuff in there for you ladies. What else? So that's the bathroom. There's a bath towel, bath mat there, and the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. We've got some hanging wardrobes, and a bit of storage space for if you want to put the suitcase or your bag. You've got a mirror there, and here's your bed. So double bed here. You've got a bedside table, bedside lamp. And you actually have your own little garden space outside. We are going to be putting some new furniture, outside furniture in, so bear with us, but you've got your own little area there as well. Brilliant. So thanks for the tour of the little kitchen annex. Sorry for the mess there, but you won't be getting the mess when you come and stay, in a nutshell.